The Michelin Pilot Sport 4S has ruled the ultra high performance UP segment since 2017, setting the bar for what a performance tire should be. But in 2024, there's a new contender in town, the Vredestein Ultrac Pro. Can this newcomer dethrone the reigning champion? Let's find out as we dive into a head-to-head comparison. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S set as the reference point at 100%. First up, dry performance. The Michelin Pilot Sport 4S outshines the Vredestein Ultrac Pro in dry braking, stopping 1.3 meters shorter in dry handling. The 4S also maintains a higher average speed of 109.9 kilometers per hour compared to the Ultrac Pro's 108.5 kilometers per hour. This makes the 4S a clear leader in dry conditions, giving you that extra edge on the road. But the Vredestein Ultrac Pro doesn't back down when it comes to wet performance. It stops 0.3 meters shorter than the Pilot Sport 4S in wet braking and even edges ahead in wet handling with a slightly faster speed of 77 kilometers per hour. The Ultrac Pro also dominates in straight-line aquaplaning resistance, outperforming the 4S by a significant margin. It's clear that the Ultrac Pro excels in wet conditions, making it a serious contender. When it comes to noise, the Ultrac Pro takes the lead again, offering a quieter ride at 70.5 decibels compared to the 4S noise level of 71.2 decibels. However, in rolling resistance, the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S shows its efficiency, with a slightly lower resistance which contributes to better fuel economy. So, which tire should you choose? The Michelin Pilot Sport 4S still holds the crown in dry performance and rolling resistance, but the Vredestein Ultrac Pro proves to be a formidable challenger, especially in wet conditions and noise levels. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.